This is my 2012 Dodge Challenger SXT. I've been the only owner this entire time, and I've put 114,000 miles on it. 114.7. And like I said before, I wanted to make a commercial for my car. A mini commercial. Just kind of like a sign off of I don't know, like sunsetting something. So that's what I'm doing. I am taking shots, film, cinematography angles, and wanting to give my car the justice it deserved, because it's still a great car, and I'm bothered that I'm selling it because there's nothing wrong with it. I just am needing a change, and I want a Tesla. I'm getting one. So the only car video on this channel at the beginning is going to be one about a Dodge Challenger. And everything after that is about the Tesla.